Governor Abbott says Texas might go to war with the Supreme Court over a decision made 4 decades ago.
Yeah, the high court ruling requires states to provide free public education to all kids. I want to get over to Suzanne Bruner this morning because this is a topic a lot of people haven't given a second thought to in quite a while until a radio interview.
Right, and in that radio interview, he talked about how there are a number of children who speak multiple languages as their first language aside from English, and because of this, it's really caused some extraordinary challenges for public schools. He said this and also brought up that he could resurrect Plyler versus Doe. Just to bring you up to speed on that, this goes back to 1975 when Texas changed its education laws to deny enrollment to children who were not legally admitted into the U.S. and to withhold state funds for their education. Fast forward to 1982, the Supreme Court ruled the Texas legislation violated the Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment. So that ruling allowed all children to have access to free public education.
Texas already long ago sued the federal government about having to incur the cost of that education program.
Yes.
It's a case called Plyler versus Doe, and the Supreme Court ruled against us on the issue about denying, or let's say Texas having to bear that burden. I think we will resurrect that case and challenge this issue again because the expenses are extraordinary and the times are different than when Plyler versus Doe was issued many decades ago.
The governor didn't elaborate any more on this issue or the funds and costs associated with this education program. No word on when he plans to bring this up in court again, if possible. Another thing, critics are calling this alarming, especially after the Supreme Court document leak of Roe versus Wade. We did reach out to his November challenger, Beto O'Rourke, for comment, but we haven't heard back, guys.